from the crazy city of Mumbai to the quiet, peaceful city of Kaza, running this cafe. It's called the Himalayan Cafe, and we have a small guest house called the Maitreya Homes. So my journey on the mountains began from the time I visited Leh Ladakh 7 years ago when I was a student, LLB student, and I was wanting to do something on the mountains since then. When you're a city person, things don't work out, you don't know how, what, when, and you're in the routine. Till 5 years ago, when I did my annual trip to Spiti Valley to the mountains, when I came for the first time, I felt sick. To the extent I thought I would die till day 3. Day 4, I realized I wouldn't die, but I realized what was going wrong. That was the no moon night of August. I still remember. Probably that was my calling. I was staying at a property which is 7 kilometers from here. It's a standalone building with nothing around, no light pollution. I walked out. I saw the sky. I saw the Milky Way. I couldn't believe what I was seeing. I thought probably I was dead, probably seeing the galaxy, God knows what. Went back home after 5 days, couldn't get over the vacuum. Every time I would close my eyes, I would see the big, huge, beautiful, gorgeous mountains of Spiti. Decided wanted to do something, kept contacting people, want to do something on the mountains. Everyone said, Shehri log aata hai, bolta hai, karta koi nahi hai. A lot of people in Mumbai told me, if you do something on the mountains, we are tired of our corporate lives, we want to come along, this, that. Finally, after 1 year, we decided of doing a bakery, which eventually didn't work. And then the cafe worked. And till then I had already started working as an advocate, and everyone told me that, you're going and don't take this step. You'll get tired on the mountains in 6 months, and when you come back, you'll have to start from scratch, this, that. One night I sat, I thought if I don't take this opportunity, probably when it's time to die, I would regret. I had a chance and I didn't take it up. I decided I shouldn't let this go. We started, this is our 4th year. First year was a disaster. Without a restaurant experience, I had no idea of managing things. We had 5 tables, we were 5 of us working. Slowly, things, by the grace of God, things picked up, we learned, we grew. So second year, we were 8 of us with 8 tables. Third year, we were 12 of us with 12 tables. This year, we are 18 of us with about 19 tables ready to serve you. So next time, whenever you're here in Kaza, do visit us. It will be a pleasure. Thank you.